The UGM series provides working heights from 5.9 metres to 8.2 metres. It is powered by 2 × 12-volt maintenance-free AGM batteries. The highly reliable hydraulic system ensures platform ascent and descent is safe and smooth, with up to 200 platform operating cycles before battery recharging is required. The UGM machine will fit through standard 2-metre doorways and can easily be moved in and out of passenger and goods lifts. Access to the compartment holding the electrical and hydraulic components of the machine can be carried out easily by releasing the 2 latches to open the motor covers. UGM series comes with standard non-marking wheels. To start operation, twist to release emergency button. Turn the key switch to on at the lower control. Raise the entry bar and step into the platform. For your safety, entry bar will drop upon your release. Attach the safety harness to the designated harness point. Next, release the emergency stop button on the platform control. To control the driving speed, first press the white button. Select the speed using 2 buttons above the joystick. Push the joystick forward to move the machine forward. Pull the joystick backwards to reverse. For ascend and descend, press the blue button. Push the joystick forward to raise the platform and pull it backwards to lower the platform. The pothole protection will be activated once the platform is raised. Tools can be placed on the tools tray above the mast for easy access. Safety of UGM is enhanced with the inclusion of tilt and descent alarms and an integrated overload sensor. The UGM can negotiate slopes up to 15 degrees with the platform in its store position. Once the slope is more than 15 degrees, the machine will stop operating. The lower control panel will display the problem and upper control will have indication lights blinking. This diagnosis system can also be used to detect overloaded platform. The turning radius is less than 0.2 metres, making it suitable for use in confined space. The UGM series can be driven with the platform fully raised at a lower speed of 0.8 km/h or full speed with the platform lowered at 4 km/h.